you doing? It's your girl, Coach, and it's here at Mic Check TV Nashville. I am here with the fabulous Miyoshi, one of Nashville's local artists. We're gonna highlight her today. What's going on, girl?
Hey, girl.
How you doing?
I am good, honey.
I'm so glad to have you here today.
I'm happy to be here.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Now, she is one of Nashville's local artists, but she is born and raised New Orleans, Louisiana.
Yeah, baby.
Say it again. Say it again.
Yeah,
I
baby.
like the way you say that. And we just want to highlight you and what you're doing, because I got firsthand your performance, your music, and I love you, honey.
I love you too.
And
There's been a connection.
right, it was a
Definitely.
good connection.
Yeah.
And we just had a show, 12th and Porter,
Yeah.
and it went really good. And so, you know, tell us a little bit about your project. You got a new CD out. And it's hot.
It's on fire, if I must say so myself.
You can repeat that. She said it's on fire.
But I released my first album November 15th, 2012. So it is online at MiyoshiMusic.com and also on iTunes, iHeartRadio, working on getting it on Pandora. It's in my trunk. Wherever it needs to be, I'm ready.
Put it out there. I have product at all times.
At all times. No, we need to worry. Even have my swipe.
So who are some of the people that you've worked with here since you've been here in Nashville? And how long have you been here?
I have been here officially since '99.
Okay.
I came here to go to Fisk University, graduated. I went
All
back
right.
home.
Go and put that out there again. See, I like to repeat things because you need to know that you're dealing with some intelligent women
I
here.
graduated from the illustrious Fisk University,
Now, what was your major?
biology pre-med. Yeah.
Talented and educated.
I'm not practicing medicine. However,
all right,
that's
though.
part of the journey.
Yeah.
That was the plan, and I changed the plan because
all
this
right.
is what I wanted to do, and I had to make that decision, and I have been all the better for it.
You know, when you got a dream that you're going after, and you got it deep down in your soul, you can't let that go. No matter what you go to school for, how much money it's gonna pay you, to be calling you back like, I want to sing. I want to sing. I want to sing.
Exactly.
That's all right, though.
At least you always have a plan B,
yeah,
C,
always
D.
have a plan. Right. Got to have a couple of those.
Exactly.
Right. So, who are some of the artists that you've worked with?
Here in Nashville?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you.
As far as production, we want
Production.
Yeah.
Okay, well, on my CD, Quentin X. Coleman actually did the majority of my songs on the album. Most of the live tracks.
Okay.
I've done one with Mr. Tim Hill out in Murfreesboro. He
Tim Hill.
mixed and mastered the entire album. It is amazing.
See?
Yeah.
I knew that work. See?
Yes, ma'am. And I also did one track with William Davenport and another with Antonio Neal.
See? Some
Yes,
big
ma'am.
names. You know, they've been out doing their own thing and hustling.
They have been, and I had to get in where I could fit in with that, and it turned out great.
Right. So, now that we've gotten that part out the way, what are you doing as Miyoshi? Like, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Just in general?
Yeah.
Oh, myself? Well, music has consumed me, which I do not feel bad about that at all.
And that's okay.
But that's a constant.
Yeah.
But outside of internet and trying to get the next gig and finishing the album, I love to shop, hang out with my friends, do karaoke. Like, I am not a serious karaoke person. I am the karaoke. I want to do rap. I want to do shoot. I want to have fun.
Rap?
Girl, yes, I am a slick MC in my heart.
Give us freestyle.
Not out loud. No.
Give us a freestyle.
I don't have a freestyle. I really don't have a freestyle. Like, it's awful. I cannot embarrass myself. But I wish that I wish I could.
The funny thing is about artists that sing and write, you are freestyling.
True, that's true. However, I don't have a rhyme. Maybe that's better. I don't have rhymes.
I'm gonna rap one day. We're gonna rap one day and do a song one day.
I'm hoping to actually do that. I'm working on a mixtape now, so I'm hoping.
That's cool.
I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna say, hey, these are my lyrics. Can you help a sister out? We'll see what happens with that.
Cool. So, where can we find your music one more time for the audience?
You can find it on MiyoshiMusic.com. You can find it on
Spell it. Spell Miyoshi.
MYOCHI music.com. You can find it on iTunes. You can find it on iHeartRadio. You can find it on Spotify. Soon to be on Pandora. Yes.
So pretty much if they can get the spelling correct, they can just Google your
Boom.
name and it's all going to pop up.
They say, Google me, baby.
All right. This is Cold Unique with Miyoshi, and we are highlighting her new project, No Regrets. She's going to come and perform 1 or 2 songs for us.
1.
Cold Unique and Miyoshi on Mic Check Nashville.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, this song is about love, love lost, love coming back at not quite the best time. It happens, and this is the story of how it happened to me. Ooh, hey, yeah, oh, yeah. Went to the store just the other day and saw my love from miles away. He had the same smile, same confidence. There he stood with a child in his hand. We said our hellos, how you been? Said his family's great and his life was fine. Wonder if he remembers when he was mine. Right there, I should have said goodbye. So what do I do? What do I do when it comes back to you? Hey, when it comes back to you, baby. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. 7 days later, my phone rang. Hello, hello, how you been? It was him, telling me all the things I needed to hear. Him coming back has been my biggest fear. He talked for hours and hours about how he missed me, how he messed up, and how he wished he almost forgot he was somebody else's man. Lord knows we can't be friends. Hey, so what do I do? What do I do when it comes back to you? Hey, baby, 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 yeah. So what do I do? What do I do when it comes back to you? Hey, baby. Oh, baby. Hey. See, I know right from wrong, and I don't want to break up nobody's home. But when he touched me, I can't even speak. And when he talks to me, I get so weak. So what do I do when it comes back to you? Hey, it's coming back to you, baby. Oh, baby, it's coming back. It's coming back. What do I do? Ooh, what do I do? Coming back. It's coming back to you. When it comes back, it's coming back to you, baby. What do I do?